Today I have 5 tips on how to make your Facebook ads more exceptional. If you want better Facebook ads, you have to use high quality content. It boggles my mind that so many gym owners will spend thousands of dollars on ads between their agency fee and their ad spend, but they'll use low quality content. When you're doing that, you are wasting a ton of money. What you need to be doing is one of 2 things. Number 1, ideally you can hire a local photographer or videographer either on a bi-weekly or monthly basis, and they'll come in, capture the content, handle that for you, and then that's one less thing that you have to think about. Or number 2, if your budget is low, that's okay too. You can capture the content on your own with a smartphone. And we actually have a video in the description below with our tips on how to capture better quality content. Not enough gyms do this. Be creative. What I mean by that is you can have an instructor from your gym film a script video calling out to your target audience. You can film a video highlighting one of your members, showing some clips of them in a class and talking about their journey with your martial arts gym. And most importantly, think outside the box. Be yourself. No one can be you like you can be you. So be genuine, be authentic, and show us what you have to offer. Your ad copy is a text that shows up with your creatives when you run an ad. Now, please stop using long ad copy. It looks very salesy. Most people are trained to continue to scroll when they see something like that because it's obviously an ad. What you want to do is use shorter to medium-sized ad copy. We've done a lot of testing with our clients these last 6 months, and we found that shorter ad copy generates way more leads than longer ad copy. And actually, if you try to create an ad on your own, they will recommend to keep your copy under 230 characters. And they say that if you go above that, it will result in fewer conversions. A/B testing. You need to be doing A/B testing. A/B testing is when you run 2 or more of the same ad and all you do is change one thing. Whether it's the photo or video, whether it's the ad copy or headline, you can find out which one performs better. In my experience of marketing over 100 martial arts gyms, you would think by now I have some secret formula on what special ad works for everyone, but the truth is there is no secret formula. The only way to get good results is by testing out different ads over time and seeing what performs best for your gym. So I hope these tips have helped you guys, and if you want some more help with your Facebook ad campaign, click the link below and book a consultation call with myself, and I'll look at the exact ad campaigns that you are running and give you my tips on how to improve them.